Want more showings in week 1? Use this 7-day plan that targets what buyers notice in the first 10 seconds, online and in person. No gut renos, no drama. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann, and I help sellers across Westchester, Dutchess, and Putnam. Day 1, scope 5 must-dos. We start by picking 5 tasks, no more. Focus beats overwhelm. Stand at the curb, then the front door, and then the living room entrance. What steals attention? Sticky door, dim lamp, overstuffed entry table? Write 5 items you'll actually finish this week and schedule them day by day. Day 2, entry and sight lines. First impressions start outside. Sweep the walk, clear shoes, add a clean doormat, and replace the porch bulb with warm light. Inside, take 3 steps in and look where your eye goes first. That wall, that console, that pile, fix those. If you have art hung too high, lower it to eye level. The job is not perfect, it's welcoming. Day 3, mini repairs. This is the tiny friction day. Tighten handles, oil squeaky hinges, replace burnt bulbs, patch small scuffs, unstick that sliding door. Touch up paint where needed. You're removing the little signals that whisper work to a buyer scrolling photos or opening a closet. Day 4, staging sweeps. We're editing, not reinventing. Pull sofas off walls a few inches, give bedside tables a matching lamp pair, and simplify surfaces to 3 items max. Hide charging cords. If a piece of furniture blocks a doorway or a sightline, move it. The rule is simple: if it trips the eye, it goes. Day 5, surfaces and photos. Counters clear, mirrors spotless, floors fresh. Now do a phone test, walk through on video mode. Your screen will catch clutter that your eyes skip. Pack it, donate it, or store it neatly. If a room feels dark, add a bulb or angle a lamp to bounce light off a wall. Day 6, curb and details. Swap the doormat if it's tired, wipe the mailbox, straighten house numbers, trim what touches the walkway. Add a simple planter at the entry, seasonally appropriate, not theme park. Check the doorbell. These little moves say cared for, which photographs well and calms buyers at the threshold. Day 7, docs and dates. Get the practical pieces tidy. Gather disclosures, appliance info, and any permits you already have. Share showing windows in advance. If there's a repair receipt or a manual that answers common questions, leave a copy in a clean folder. Ready beats reactive and keeps your buyer focused on the house, not the hunt for info. How this plays out in real life. A recent seller followed this schedule. We didn't change floors or counters, we fixed a sticky door, warmed the entry with a lamp, cleared the kitchen surfaces, and staged the main bedroom with symmetry. Photos looked crisp, clicked through jumped, and showings felt easy. The first weekend brought strong offers. That wasn't luck, it was a week of targeted effort. Troubleshooting what if you're short on time. Do days 2, 4, and 5 in that order. Sightlines, staging sweeps, and surfaces. Those 3 deliver the biggest lift in photos. If you have pets, add a daily plan for crates, litter, and odors, neutral and respectful. Safety and practicality. Don't climb where you're not confident. Hire licensed pros for anything electrical, structural, or on a ladder. If a fix requires a permit or professional judgment, ask first. The point is a calm, well-presented listing, not risks. Wrap it up with a quick walkthrough. Curb to kitchen, to primary bedroom, to the room you use most. Does anything still steal attention? If yes, move it, clean it, or light it. Done. Download the Prep to List checklist. It's the 7-day plan on one page. Easy to print or keep on your phone. The link is below. Subscribe for more seller tips each week.